Hej Mille. Hej Louise. Hej Charlotte. Og hej Jesper. Og company. Så, nu er jeg klar til at åbne skabet. Jeg vil begynde på det. Nu optager jeg. And it's some meat. You know, not the meat about the heat. Det er det her sådan noget. Nu har jeg fået, at vi sætter mit ansigt fra. At holde mit ansigt i fokus.
Nogen der har en saks.
Der bliver vist lidt edit til. Oh my god!
Det kan være, du skal sige noget, og så...
Wow, what a beauty. Absolutely.
Det var det svinderøst,
Jeg er fuldstændig målløs. Jeg kan slet ikke sige noget. Den er så smuk.
Jeg kigger ind i kameraet og sige tak og afspil.
Tusind tak. Det her det er for vildt. Smil. Hello snails, what's up? I just want to tell you about my last birthday present, even if it's a bit late it came, but my family who came here, I should have been with them in this weekend. Unfortunately I got sick, but luckily I could have it sent. My parents got to them and could see my little niece getting baptized, I think it's called in English. Okay, but anyway, this is not the last gift I got for birthday. This is a skull I bought last year, and the reason for that is because for many years I studied the human body, and one thing that has always been a problem is to really know how the skeleton works. And this skull to 300 Danish crowns is okay, but there's one problem. Can you see? No body. There's no body. Literally, no body. Anyway, so we have this one, which I bought for 300 Danish crowns. And now I will show you what I got from my amazing family here. It was my my brother and their family, and my sister and their family. I got this beautiful thing, and an artist will make art. This is amazing. You could study the skeleton, because otherwise I actually used books for many years. Something which is called the moving body or something like that. I cannot really translate it, but I can show it over here. This is a book I used many years to study, beside a doctor book from the United States. Here. bought this one, but they are not really good at when you need to study the human body. And now I can really get into grasp on how it looks, and I can see it in different angles. I can move it up and down. I can see how it moves and how it interacts with each other. I can see how, if I want to have a pose, can this really be a good pose for a human? Because if it's now isn't really physical possible, it may hurt a lot, but it is possible, for example, to make a pose like this, or maybe a pose like behind here, like so. So I also need to be a little bit of skin. But now that I have this amazing thing, which my really great family gave to me, I can really begin to make my art great. Now I can really have something to study the human body with. Just look how amazing the details is. But one question I have, I wonder what this red thing dot here does. Yeah, but even the feet are just amazingly looking. There's no hand movement, but hey, I can really use my artistic skills, because I know how hand looks from many angles, but this really helps me to see how I can really get it into poses, and when I can make the fingers afterwards. So that's exploding. This is so amazing. I wished for a skeleton, but I never thought I would get one. I had a small one for many years, but that was a really cheap one, and it wasn't really that well made. So, and it broke at some point. But this is so amazing. Look how detailed it is and how cool it looks. So, yeah. Then I of course still have this big one to study the skull with. Never compares. This is a real life size skull compared to this one. So you can see kind of a scale. But this is much more perfect. This is easier to scale down on a A3 paper or something like that. So that's really amazing. So yeah, that was all. Bye.